So today I'm going to look at 5 tips that you're going to need to do on a weekly basis to keep your Google My Business optimized. So join me now as we look at what these 5 great tips are in 90 seconds. Hi, I'm Zane from Zanet Design, and I help small businesses like yours grow on the internet. So if you're into local SEO, you're wanting your business to grow locally and get local inquiries, then make sure you subscribe and don't miss out on my videos. So let's take this thought in hand then. 90 seconds to do 5 things, 5 tips that are going to help improve your Google My Business. What are those things going to be? Well, let's start those 90 seconds right now. Google Posts. You need to update your Google Posts on a regular basis. A post will last for just 1 week, generally speaking. So make sure you put out events, new products, new social events that are going on locally, and make sure you get as much detail as you can using keywords that are relevant to your area and to your service. Check your Google My Business entry. Did you know that people can go in and they can put edits forward? And then if those things are approved, then things can be changed. So just because you've entered the information doesn't mean that information stays forever. Insights give you information about where people have come to when they found your Google My Business. What keywords have they used? Do they come via the map? Are they searching for you for directions? Do they find you through branding? All those things can be answered through insights. When you add photos, it gives people confidence that the business is there. So put a picture of your business from the outside. Put the members of staff down. Make sure you've got a decent logo uploaded. Make sure customers are uploading photos too. And when you've got decent photos, they get shown. And photos bring in a tremendous amount of traffic to your business. Ask for reviews. There's a button. Google wants you to get reviews from your clients and customers. And when people give good reviews and give good ratings, that helps. But at the same time, reply to your reviews. Get keywords within your reviews and make sure that your reviews are showing on your website too. And people then are more likely to come back to you. There you go. There was the 5 tips in 90 seconds. If you carry on those 5 tips on a regular basis, then you won't go too far wrong as you grow your business locally. Thanks for watching. And now, if you wanted to know more about being an expert on Google My Business, or you want to improve your local SEO, then watch the next 2 videos that I'm going to show you here now.